To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap the messenger icon in the top right corner. Now open the individual or group chat where you want to start a blend. You will then see the new blend icon at the top of the chat window. If it's not visible, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Now tap on it to proceed. Review the details, then tap Invite to send a blend invitation to the chat participant. The other person will receive an invitation to join the blend. Once they accept, they will be added to your blend. Now, tap Go to Blend within the chat to access the shared Reels feed. Once they accept the invitation, both of you will be added to the blend. After that, as you scroll through Reels, both accounts will receive the same synchronized suggestions from Instagram. You will see labels like Suggested for You or other relevant information based on whose account the content is tailored to. This allows you and your chat partner to enjoy and explore the same Reels simultaneously, creating a shared viewing experience. For more options, tap the gear settings icon in the top right corner. From the pop-up menu at the bottom, you can remove any specific reel from your blend, or leave the blend altogether. Tap Leave to finalize your decision. You will then exit the blend, and return to your individual Reels feed. So, these are all the key details you need to know about using the new blend feature on Instagram.